Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with your WooCommerce store if the checkout is not working. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that we are using. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com and from there you can go ahead and get started accessing your store. So here at the left side of the screen we have the plugins section that you can use for setting up your WooCommerce store if you have not already, by installing all the needed plugins, and from there we can get started with accessing our WooCommerce store right here in the plugin section. So basically guys, what we can do is follow a couple articles. You can find articles on Google on why the checkout might not be working in WooCommerce, but basically the number one thing you want to do is to go ahead and find your checkout plugins that you're using. So if you're using WooCommerce plugins, you're going to search for them right here and find the one you are using for your checkout. And once you done that, you can go ahead and reinstall it. So you can disable it from your website and then go ahead and enable it again. So go ahead and do that for all your plugins. Make sure to find the one that doesn't work. If you need any more help, you can follow the articles right here on what you can do, such as checking out your payments, your settings, and so on. All of those options are going to be available in your plugin section. So follow the articles and go ahead and access your WooCommerce plugins from right here directly and follow what they have to say to see if the problem is within your plugins. But basically that's what you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.